Hi, this is Janet with Try It Like It Created, and I am here with the CutCardStock design team. And this month they are featuring Royal Sundance cardstock. And so what I have here is the Brilliant White, and it's an 80-pound cover. And then I also have the Star Dream Metallic in gold, and I have the Glamour cardstock in craft. And I'm going to set those aside to show you what we're doing with those. So for this, I have a cut file here that would be great for stationery as a letterhead. It would work for any kind of announcement, wedding, birthday, celebration, even a menu at a restaurant. But what the cut file is here is an 8.5 by 11 designed to cut out these leaves. And so let me just weed this here while I have it in front of you, and you can see that it has a leaf border here. And I cut this, I think it's an 80-pound cover, and so I cut it at 100 on my Cricut Maker, if that's helpful to you for weight. And you can see that I'm just easily pulling the pieces off of here that need to weed out. And there's a few little teeny tiny small ones. I'm not going to mess with them right now for the purpose of this tutorial, but they are there and cut out as well. Okay, so there is our file. And so what you can do with this is then use this center part to write on. What I went ahead and did with the craft was I wrote out a Robert Frost poem on the Cricut Maker. And so what I'm going to do is glue that right there. And then it talks about in here about the first green is gold. And so I thought, you know, the gold, the Star Dream gold would be beautiful with that. And so I was going to slip that underneath there and just put that together as a piece for the fall. So just showing you one way that you could use this file. So to do so, I am just going to take the poem here, and I'm just going to run some tape runners on it. And then I designed it just to have a little bit of a white border all the way around. So I'm just kind of looking to have that in place and line things up correctly. And I'm not going to push down until I like what I have. I think it needs to just move over just a little bit. All right, so I think that's good. So I'm going to stick that down, and then you have options to put, you know, whatever color or no color behind. I chose to work with the gold, so I am just going to add a little bit of tape runner here, and this piece just comes together so quickly. And there are some tricks to cutting this out, and so I will show you that in the video section of my tutorial. And I'm just tucking in some tape that got off the edge there. And so once again, we're just going to line this up, and I am not going to push anything down until I like where it's at. I think we're almost good. And if we're off just a little bit, we can always trim it up. But there. Okay. And so there is our finished piece.